Hello everyone. Today we are going to start our new lesson of chemistry, lesson number 14, chemical effects of electric current. See in the textbook, you can see lesson number 14, chemical effects of electric current. We'll see the introduction first, what introduction they have given here. Your elders might have cautioned you against touching an electrical appliance with wet hands, but do you know why it is dangerous to touch an electrical appliance with wet hands? आपण इलेक्ट्रिक वस्तूंना हात लावताना जर हात ओला असेल तर हात लावू नये असं आपल्याला पहिल्यापासून सगळे सांगत आले. सो वाय दिस हॅपन्स अँड व्हॉट इज द रिझन बिहाइंड दिस? Now in our previous classes we have studied the substance or the materials. Some materials are good conductors of electricity, some are bad conductors of electricity. We also know that why they are called good conductor of electricity, why they are called bad conductor of electricity. We know the difference. We have seen different materials. You can see in the picture there are different materials which are good conductors and which are non-conductors or bad conductors. Good conductors means they allow electric current to pass through them. Okay, they are also called as conductors. While bad conductors, they does not allow electric current to pass through them. They are also called as insulators. We can see different examples are given in this slide: steel, aluminum, copper, iron, gold, silver. Also we can group them as metals and non-metals. Metals are good conductors while non-metals are bad conductors. This we have already studied in our previous lesson, metals and non-metals. Now non-metals like wood, cloth, plastic, they are bad conductor of electricity. They does not allow electric current to pass through them. Now we know all this that they are good, they are bad and all that. But why we should not use wet hands? So in this lesson today we are going to discuss, do liquid conduct electricity? Okay, हे सगळे जे आपण बघितले, वॉट एव्हर वी सी हियर, दे ऑल आर सॉलिड मटेरियल. ओके, मेटल्स बघितलं, नॉन मेटल्स. सो वी आर ग्रुपिंग द मटेरियल्स into different groups. Now that we are going to group in solid and liquid part. Now solid are good conductors, bad conductors, that we discuss. But what about liquids? That we are going to discuss in this lesson. Now in class 6 you may made a tester to test whether a material is good or bad conductor of electricity. You know the picture of the tester also. You remember how to use the tester. So this is the circuit which is required to test. Here we need wires. Different wires are shown here: black, green, red and blue color wires. We can see the cell here. Okay, bulb we can see, and tester. Now this circuit is important to find out how the electric current passes, whether it passes or not. Now today we are going to test the same circuit in the liquids. So you can see the picture here. What is shown in the picture? Here battery is used instead of the cell. इथं cell दाखवलाय, but here we are going to use a battery. Same wires are there: blue color, red color, green color, black color wires are there. One plastic container is kept there. In that container a mixture of lemon juice, a liquid of lemon juice or vinegar is kept in that. One bulb is there. So this we are going to study here in this lesson today. See activity. I will read out the activity. Collect a few small plastic or rubber caps of discarded bottles and clean them. Pour 1 teaspoon of lemon juice or vinegar in one cap. Bring your tester over it and let the ends of the tester dip into lemon juice or vinegar as shown in figure 14.2. You can see in the textbook, figure is shown there. Take care that the ends are not more than 1 centimeter apart, but at the same time do not touch each other. Okay, in this circuit you can see See, the whole circuit is shown here. The wires are 1 centimeter away from each other. They are dipped into the plastic container which contains lemon juice or vinegar. Battery is connected with the help of wires. Bulb is also there. Now you will understand what happens. You will understand whether the circuit is complete or not. Here the bulb has glowed. Okay, the bulb glows. That means what? Electric conductivity through liquid passes. That means liquid is good conductor of electricity. But if weak current is there, bulb does not glow. Okay, now this is the circuit shown here. Now when the bulb glows, it proves that liquid is good conductor of electricity. Now see in the textbook, when the liquid between two ends of the tester allows the electric current to pass, the circuit of the tester becomes a complete. The current flows in the circuit and the bulb glows. When the liquids does not allow the electric current to pass, the circuit of the tester is not complete and the bulb does not glow. Now here in this picture the bulb glows. That means we can say liquid is good conductor of electricity. So for today you have to remember only this much part, the circuit, the tester part, and the activity we have done in the liquid, lemon juice or vinegar. Okay. So in the next we'll see another activity related to this. For today, read out the lesson, read the activity and try to understand the circuit. Okay. So for today we'll stop here. Thank you.